Greetings to everyone. I am Dr. Aviral Verma. So today I'll be demonstrating a video on performing microvascular anastomosis in the chicken's femoral vessel. So a lot of my students have asked me how they can perform microvascular anastomosis and how they can practice at home. So this video is for all my residents. I'm sure it will be helpful to everyone who want to pursue microvascular surgeries in the coming future. So in order to perform microvascular anastomosis, the instrument required are firstly the fine dissection instruments that are required to dissect out the skin, fascia and the muscle. And once you isolate the vessel using microsurgical instruments over here, various castor forceps, the clamps, clamp holder and needle holders. So these are helpful in performing microvascular anastomosis. The loops that I use are 3.5x magnification, that is optimum for to perform microvascular anastomosis. So this is the chicken thigh and we are dissecting till the femoral vessels, and what I have already done is remove the superficial layer of this particular muscle. As you can see, now I am detaching it from all its attachments. So as you can see over here, there is a very small perforating vessel that is a branch of the femoral supplying the superficial muscle, and we don't require this, so I've detached it. Now we are removing the underlying trapezoidal muscle. So this is a muscle that we are detaching it carefully because below this lies the vessels that we require for anastomosis. So here you can see the femoral vessels. So this is the femoral artery. Now to review once again, we have removed this superficial layer of the muscle below which lies this trapezoidal muscle. Once we remove this trapezoidal muscle carefully, you can see the underlying vasculature. This is the nerve. And this is the vessel where I would be doing anastomosis in my next video. Thank you so much.